Alrighty, Sharp Customs. I guess maybe you could call it part 2 to the 52 Chevy electric build. We've ditched those 12-volt batteries for a couple of cordless drill batteries. The only thing changed was the batteries, so we are now running 40 volts through a parent 24 volt controller and a 24 volt motor. I put extra set screws in it. As you can see, I put some bling on the paint because it's electric and I thought it appropriate. We'll put some lightning bolts. Put some lightning bolts on it. I jazzed it up a little bit, you know. Now, it seems pretty wicked, you know, in my testing. Those are like 5 amp hour batteries. I did look at the lead acid batteries that were in it, the 2212s. They were 8 amp hour batteries. So I'm thinking, yeah, we won't get the amount of time. That's providing nothing blows up, nothing explodes, nothing burns. We didn't bring an extinguisher with us. Not that you can. Plus, we're going from a lead acid battery. These are lithium cordless drill batteries. I did order the other parts. I did get another controller today, which is a higher voltage. I did order a few little components, but I'm hoping it works out. All I can tell you is that in my testing phase, it seemed pretty insane. That's all I'm gonna say. And about the only thing I can do is we're not running a variable speed controller. We're still running the same simple, you know, kind of on-off type switch. We still have no brakes, but I just wanted to get it out here and try it. And you guys are the first. You're the first to see it. I say I grab the controller. She's all set up, and I say let's see what happens. You know, this could be catastrophic. Oh, that was close. This asphalt over here is a little more aggressive than the carpet. Definitely faster. She's definitely faster. Way faster. All that chattering you hear, I think is a little bit of body rub on the asphalt itself, and I think my front suspension, it's a little loosey-goosey, and I think that's, you know, that's what's kind of making it sound like a bit of a shopping cart. That's what I call it. I think what we should do is, I think we're going to go, let's go over to the dirt. Let's take a little journey to the dirt. I hope we got enough battery. I say we go over to the dirt. Let's see if we can do some, pull some donuts off. That's pretty sweet. You notice I painted those front walker wheels silver, eh, to kind of match the back wheels. It's a pretty sweet looking ride. I don't know how it's going to go through the grass. Maybe we'll just go to the dirt here by the soccer nets. I don't know, I kind of like the ball diamond, but this is closer. Why don't you just donuts in the dirt? It's too quiet! What the heck? Oh man, I'm so used to gas, just, you know, doing donuts. That's a pretty sweet looking ride though, you gotta admit, you know. Come on man, some scooter parts and some other bullshit that I threw together. A couple cordless drill batteries. I think that thing's gonna walk all over my buddy Jeff's cars. That's pretty sweet, I think. Yeah, it sounds like a shopping cart on the asphalt. I think that's just the front suspension. Whoa, there we go. Maybe a little bit of body scrub there. I'm not sure. Oh, our batteries, see? I kind of thought with the batteries. I should have brought my... Remember, we got no brakes on this thing. We have no brakes, we have no shutdown, you know. My steering seems a little slow. It doesn't even want to go to the left. That's, maybe the stuff needed, maybe my battery pack needed charged up a bit, but I'm gonna check. I'm just gonna stick my hand in here. You know what? The motor is not hot. Batteries are not hot. The controller, not hot. Nothing is hot. That's crazy that I'm pushing 40 volts through the system. You know, like 220s, 220 volt batteries. And I just hope I got enough juice to drive this thing home, because I actually towed it here with a dog leash because I wanted to save the batteries. Not too shabby in my book, but let's see if we can get a little bit more out of it. We'll figure out the chatter. I'm coming close to the camera. The camera girl does an awesome job at when I do the close slides like that. Ah, we should have brought the GPS again. We forgot. It's scraping when I turn hard like that. Whoa, stay away from the post. It wants to do donuts, man. On this asphalt's pretty gritty. All right, people, I'm gonna call it there. We've been playing around. You get to see it, man. I'm sure the batteries are getting down. I want enough juice left so I can drive it back to HQ. We're only over there, but we gotta walk all the way around the school. We can't go in our regular parking lot because it was corrupted with cars, you know, people going to church. Nothing wrong with that, but much bigger area here. It's nice and quiet. We're actually after, you know, the noise bylaw, but that's the cool thing with the electric, man. That's the cool thing with the electric. We don't have to worry about the noise bylaw because it's super quiet, man. That thing rocked. That thing rocked, man. I want to throw in a short note before we end this video. Thank you to all the new subscribers. There's like over 50 of them. And the views on this little electric build are just skyrocketing. Thank you very much. You know, thank you very much for all the people that commented. I try and reply to every comment. Give information that people are looking for, and I hope you like this one as good as the last one, and I hope YouTube's algorithm, you know, pushes it to the masses, man. Because yeah, she's pretty. Oh, one little extra note before I chuck out of here. We need a name. We need a name for it. We got to put a name on it. Something to do with electricity, obviously. But make a comment, man. I'll airbrush the name. Whatever one I think is kind of the coolest name, I'm going to airbrush it on there. And the lightning was just put on in like base colors. Once I get a name and a few other things airbrushed on it, I'm going to give it a couple coats of clear coat. And yeah, so I want you guys' input, you know, on a name for this thing, you know. High voltage, volts, I don't know, come up with something, you know, do a word play. Word plays. I love word plays for names for vehicles. But there you have it, man. Sharp Customs. Call it a part 2, call it what you want. Not sure how we're going to title it when we get back to headquarters and upload it, but yeah, man, love you all. Hope you keep coming back. Hope you keep commenting. Johnny's out.